Okay, in this problem, instead of having a different exchange rate depending on which direction the Brazilian reais or the GBP are going, now you're going to have a commission, which is always subtracted off when you do the transaction. So, first part, find in Brazilian reais the amount of money Estella has after commission. Well, she starts out with 4,000 reais, okay? And it says how many reais does she have after the commission? Well, the commission is 3%, okay? So 3%, we have to multiply 3% times some value. Well, the 3% is going to be taken to 4,000. Remember that whenever you take 3% of something, you're going to multiply 3% times the amount, okay? So, and in this case, 3% times 4,000, you do that by doing 0.03, so it's 3% times 4,000. So the commission is 120. And the original amount is 4,000. So we're going to take 4,000 minus 120 to get the total amount of reais that she has. So 4,000 minus 120. Okay, 3880 Brazilian reais. You know, another way to do this is you multiply by 97% because 3% is what you take off. What's going to be left after you take 3% off of 100% is going to be 97%. You could take 4,000 and multiply by 97% or 0.97. 97%. 3,880 also, okay? All right. Next step, find in GBP the amount of money Estella received. So now we're going to take the 3880 Brazilian real, and now we're going to convert it using the conversion rate, the only one they've given us, which is that one. And we're going to put Brazilian real on the bottom or the top? We're going to put it on the bottom. And then on the top, we're going to put 0.3071 GBP. And so we're going to multiply 3880 times 0.3071. And we get 1,191.55, just two decimal places for financial math, GBP. Okay? Okay, next step. After her trip to the United Kingdom, Estella has 400 GBP left. At the airport, she changes this money back into Brazilian reais. The exchange rate is now 1 Brazilian real equals 0.3125. So we're just changing back now, except we have less money. We're going to multiply by this exchange rate. What are we going to put on top and what are we going to put on bottom? Well, we want to put GBP on the bottom because we want it to cancel out, right? So it's going to be 0.3125 GBP, right? And then 1 Brazilian real on top. So let's do this. 400, and we're going to divide by 0.3125. 0.3125. And that gives us 1280. So 1280 Brazilian real. Okay. But Estella actually receives only 1216.80 Brazilian real after the commission. So there was a commission, and the commission left us with 1216.80. Okay, so now let's figure out what the commission is. Well, just use a little algebra here. Okay, basically the difference between this and this is the commission, right? So 1280 minus 1216.80. And the answer is 6320. So that is 6320 Brazilian real. Okay, then it says the commission rate is T%. Find the value of T. Well, T% is equal to the part over the whole times 100. So that would be 63.2 divided by, and the whole would be 1280, right? That's what you started out with, times 100. So that'll be 63.2 times 100 divided by 1280. 4.94%. Okay. The other way you could do that is you could do a proportion. You could go t over 100 equals 63.2 over 1280 and then cross multiply. Okay, in the end you're going to get the same thing. You're going to get t equals 63.2 times 100 divided by 1280. Same thing, 4.94%. That's it.